Today we will learn about Google Cloud functions and how it's work with Google Cloud. So first of all, let's go to our Google Cloud console and now we will select our project. And now what we will do is we will navigate to cloud functions. Either we can go through this navigation menu or we can directly search the cloud functions. So basically, what is Google Cloud Function? Actually, Google Cloud Functions is a serverless execution environment for building and connecting cloud services. We can write simple single-purpose functions that are attached to event emitter from Google infrastructure and services like Google Storage, Cloud Storage, or any other. Our cloud function is triggered when an event is being passed this file. So it can drive the uh, cloud storage object at creation or HTTP trigger, etc. So basically, cloud functions are written in JavaScript and executed in Node environment, and we can run it on any standard Node.js environment. So let's start by creating our Google Cloud function. So first of all, we will name it GC function, and uh, there are many types of trigger. Uh, the type of trigger which our function will execute it when the trigger is uh, created. So it can be Cloud PubSub or Cloud Firestore storage or analyst for Firebase authentication, remote real-time database or remote config. So we will select HTTP, and in this URL will be our function URL. So we have to allow unauthentication in location sector as well. And this is the runtime of our function. That is 256 MB RAM, and timeout time would be 60 seconds, means 1 minute. If the function is not uh, give any result, the function will stop executing. And we can add environmental variables or workers, and we can uh, make VPC connectors, like we can allow within the cloud our project, uh, or we can allow external traffic as well. And the security will be like we can add secrets. So let's delete this and save this. And so let's select uh, our runtime environment. It could be Golang, Java, Node.js, PHP, Python, Ruby, or .NET. So let's select Node.js 14, and the name entry point would be hello world, or we can change any other as well. And this will return the message query or the message body, or the default is hello world. So it's similar to Express, but it's kind of a single route. So we have to deploy it, and it may take a few minutes to complete its deployment. And we can see from here the function is being deployed. we can edit or delete the function as well from here. Uh, this is disabled because yet our function is not deployed completely. Actually, in the Mac, uh, cloud build is used for building the function and deploying it to an instance which we can use for different kind of triggers. So it may take some time. So let's wait for a few seconds. So we can see that our function is completely deployed. We can see the logs of this function, and we can visit the function using the URL which is provided during when we select trigger type, which is HTTP, and here is the response. So we have tested the function. We can choose from. Wait a second. So this is the cloud function dashboard. We can test the function from here, and when we click here, we can see the end result, which is hello world, and we can see the logs of this function. Means if there is any error or any kind of console log, so it will be listed here, and we can see the source of the function, and these are the details of our function. That's maximum instance can be 1000, which means I think each instance can handle 80 requests uh, concurrently. So maximum we can have 80,000 requests per second or whatever concurrent request we can say. So in this way we can say that cloud function is a serverless execution environment for building and connecting to cloud services, and we can use different type of layers like cloud storage, Firebase, HTTP, Cloud Console, etc. So in this lab, that's it, and we will meet in next video exploring another service of Google Cloud. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.